Alright, there's another kind of answer video. But, Nestle's not here. None of my friends are here. Mommy, say hi!
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Well, I was just really, scratching behind you, thing.
Don't be trying to do that, don't worry.
Oh. Good.
My mom, say hi.
Hi!
And I have praying mantises. They all came out of the egg.
Connor, so the camera can see.
They all hatched. Uncle Ahmed.
Yeah. Wow. What are these?
Bugs out of the egg.
Mm.
And these are all little baby praying mantises out of the egg. Yeah, I want to show you that. Cool. Bought these. Well, that's it for today. If you want to see this video, go to Mr. Connor Dennis on YouTube.com, all one word. Type in Mr. Connor Dennis. Bye.